Hello design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever felt like your kitchen is a bit of a hallway or has struggled with a long, narrow space, today's video is exactly what you need. We are diving deep into the world of galley kitchens. Often misunderstood as cramped or outdated, the galley kitchen is actually the secret weapon of professional chefs and high-end interior designers. In this video, we'll explore what makes this layout so special, how to maximize its potential, and how to turn a narrow corridor into the most stylish room in your home. At its core, a galley kitchen, sometimes called a corridor. Kitchen is a layout characterized by two parallel runs of cabinetry and countertops facing each other. With a central walkway in between, the name originates from the galley or kitchen area on ships and airplanes, where space is at an absolute premium and efficiency is the highest priority. It is a functional, linear design that eliminates wasted floor space, focusing instead on a streamlined workflow. Whether it's an open-ended galley that flows into a dining room or a dead-end galley that terminates at a wall or window, this design is the gold standard for maximizing utility in compact footprints. The primary benefit of a galley kitchen is its unparalleled efficiency, specifically regarding the work triangle, the distance between your stove, sink, and refrigerator. Because everything is arranged in two close parallel lines, you spend less time walking and more time cooking, as everything you need is usually just a pivot or a step away. Beyond ergonomics, galley kitchens are incredibly cost-effective. Since the layout is straightforward and usually requires less square footage, you can often afford higher quality materials, like premium stone countertops or custom cabinetry. That might be budget prohibitive in a massive U-shaped kitchen. Additionally, because the layout is compact, it frees up the rest of your home's floor plan for larger living or dining areas, making it a favorite for urban apartments and modern minimalist homes. Decorating a galley kitchen requires a clever balance of light, texture, and visual breathing room to prevent it from feeling like a tunnel. To make the space feel expansive, consider using a monochromatic color palette. Light colors, like soft whites, creams, or pale grays, reflect light and blur the boundaries between walls and cabinets. Another pro tip is to ditch upper cabinets on one side in favor of open shelving. This keeps the eye line open and makes the room feel much wider than it actually is. Lighting is also your best friend here. Incorporate under-cabinet LEDs to eliminate shadows on your workspace and a statement runner rug to draw the eye down the length of the room, adding a pop of personality and warmth. Using high-gloss finishes or mirrored backsplashes can also create a sense of depth, effectively doubling the visual width of your kitchen through reflection. When it comes to style, the galley layout is surprisingly versatile, though certain aesthetics truly shine in this configuration. The modern minimalist style is a natural fit, choosing handleless cabinets and integrated appliances to create a sleek, uninterrupted line that looks incredibly sophisticated. If you prefer something warmer, the modern farmhouse style works beautifully. By pairing shaker-style cabinets with butcher block countertops and vintage-inspired hardware to create a cozy cart of the home vibe. For those who want a bit of drama, the industrial look is perfect. Think matte black cabinetry, exposed brick walls, and stainless steel accents that lean into the professional chef's kitchen heritage of the galley layout. Lastly, a Scandinavian approach focusing on light woods, plenty of white, and functional greenery can turn a narrow galley into a bright, airy sanctuary. Designing a galley kitchen isn't about compromising on space. It's about embracing a layout that is built for performance and style. By choosing the right colors, prioritizing a smart workflow, and adding those personal decorative touches, you can transform a narrow walkway into a stunning architectural feature. Remember, the best kitchen isn't always the biggest one. the one that works perfectly for your lifestyle and looks. It's beautiful while doing it. If you found these Galley kitchen tips helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home inspiration. We want to hear from you. Are you a fan of the Galley layout, or do you prefer an open concept kitchen? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our weekly decor guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.